All right, so now we're given that some similarity exists here. So we're given that these triangles are similar. That's what that means, and we got to realize that. Well, what is that? Why does it matter what order they are in? And it does, and sometimes it's good to rewrite these. So we have triangles ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and it must be in that order. So if we look at here is ABC, AB is the hypotenuse. So I could kind of like redraw this down here. Sometimes I like to do that. Um, so then I can look at, okay, so if I am going ABC, then that means I'm going D, E, F. So now I'm reorientated. You don't have to do this, but it is probably a good idea to do that so you don't get the sides mixed up somehow. So it's easy to see what corresponds to what. Okay. So then this is 6. Okay, good. So those are similar triangles, which means they're proportional to each other. Okay. So that means that, so for example, 10 to 6, okay, that's the big triangle. This leg to 6 is equal to 4x to 2x plus 14. All right, so now there's kind of a trick to solving these, and basically in high school what we do is we multiply everything by the lowest common multiple of the denominators, and a shortcut for that is that we do what's called a cross product. Okay, so we do a cross product here. So 10 times 2x plus 14 is equal to 6 times 4x. Okay, so I apply the distributive property. Right. So I have 20x plus 140 is equal to 24x. And then I go ahead and solve. I think I'm going to isolate x on this side, so I'll have 4x on this side. And on this side I'll have 140, because I'm just going to subtract 20x from both sides. And then when I divide that, I'm going to have x is equal to 35. Okay. So, okay, so what we have is basically have a large triangle here. Okay, and then we've got, or sorry, I'll make that small. And this is the large one, right? So we've got this large one's the whole thing here, right? And then we've got this smaller one over here. And so they're sharing that angle there, and it says that they're angle-angle similarity, so one of the other angles must be also congruent. The small one is 12 here, and well, we don't know what that is there. This is 12 plus 2x plus 4, so I'm just going to say 2x plus 16, because I'm going to combine both of those, that length there. Right? And then we have the small one is 28, and the large one is 56. So if we're told that they're similar, we can go by that. We know that this large, the small one, I'll go small to large, this side, is equal to, and we're going to go small to large again. All right, so let me fix that just a little. It should be 2x plus 16. Okay. My pen stopped working. 2x plus 16. Okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to do a cross product here. All right. So 28 times 2x plus 16 equals, I'm going to spill into this other side here. I don't really like that. Got that one moved. So what's that? It's going to be 12 times 56. Calculator out. 672. Okay. So I apply distributive property. So I have it's going to be 56x plus, okay, what is 16 times 28? 448 equals 672. I'm going to subtract 448 from both sides. So 672 minus 448. And I'm going to get 56x is equal to 224. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 56. And I'm going to get x is equal to 4. Okay? Alright, so let's look at this triangle. We know it's similar. Side, angle, side similarity. Okay, so when we have these crisscrosses like this, the corresponding ones are the opposite. So the 8 and the 24 are corresponding, okay? So 8 over 24, right, is equal to 3 over 2x minus 13. Okay, so we could also do the small over the, like we could use this triangle here too, and then look at the same ratios on this one over here. Okay, it doesn't really matter, we just have to pick one and go with it. So again, I'm going to use that cross product. So 8 times 2x minus 13 is equal to 3 times 24. Okay, let me pick a different color this time. Let's go with orange maybe. I like orange. Is this orange? Nope. Let's go with orange. There we go. Okay, so 8. Oh, that's not good. Maybe purple. Okay, so 8 times 2x minus 13 is equal to 3 times 24. Alright, so let's apply distributive property. So we got 16x minus, what's that? Well, it's kind of a big number. 80 and 24, so minus 104 is equal to 3 times 24. That shouldn't be too bad. So it's 72. And let's just add 104 to both sides. So 16x is equal to 176. And then when we divide both sides by 16, x is equal to 11. All right.